How do you plant bulbs, and when? You plant bulbs from the end of summer throughout the autumn, or from mid-September to mid-December. The earlier you plant them, the earlier they will come up the following spring. During a frost, you cannot plant and you must not plant. Do not plant if there is ground frost, nor when it is terribly wet. Do not plant bulbs then, because they will rot almost instantly, and they will certainly not return the following spring. The depth of the hole in the soil, which you can do with this special bulb planter, depends on the size of the bulb. About 2 to 3 times the girth of the bulb. That's how deep you must dig. It also likes an airy soil, so break up the soil a bit first and plant afterwards. And if you do not have a special bulb planter, you can easily do it with a trowel as well. But more important are the flowering periods, because you want to enjoy them as long as possible. So think about it. Take some early flowering species, for instance snowdrops, then plant crocuses, and follow that with daffodils. You have early and late daffodils, say March and April, then tulips. So if you are clever, on one and the same spot, you can create several highlights during the season. And what I like to do in gardens is that with deciduous plants, such as groups of hydrangeas or ornamental grass, I select early flowering species like daffodils. For instance, these yellow daffodils, plant whole groups of them. So when your hydrangeas or grass start sprouting leaves, you have had your daffodils. They die and you cut them back in late April. Then the grass and hydrangeas come up. Brilliant. Meanwhile, you have made use twice of the same plot of land.